Kumalo, Anamaro Kumalo.
Alright, welcome to Nilotic Gates once again. Today it's issue about the Acholi people. There is always a name, initial, that is called P. For example, Hot Pabita. That Pa in Acholi, the meaning is quite simple. The Pa means for someone. For example, if I say Pa Nilotic Gates, it means for Nilotic Gates, and that means it is owned by Nilotic Gates. So why the Acholi is using Pa? They use Pa to give credit to their parents. For example, for you, when someone takes your photo, you write credit, photo credit, you put the name of the person. So in Acholi, people, when those who really are very prideful about their parents, once they put their name, they can say Joseph, maybe Joseph Okelo. That means it's for Okelo, it's owned by Okelo. The parent is Okelo. So that Pa is an inheritance of the parent's name. That person inherited the name that will come after the word Pa. And the letter Pa, that thing is written with P, with apostrophe on top of it to represent the Pa. So that is the artistic method of naming, which is most unique in Acholi. I've seen over the sea people using MC to mean mark. So in Acholi, Pa, that P with apostrophe means Pa. Thank you very much.
All them beautiful girls, Ginweng Atun Kumalo. We them and some boys, classic men. One wing wa Atun Kumalo. No only one keken, do bed only one keken, do lie only one keken. If you know, you know. Lure only one keken, do bed only one keken, do lie only one keken. If you know, Anamaro Kumalo. Habito.